the deep, dark, frigid days of winter now, and have officially had snow on the ground for over 65 days. Winter solstice has passed by, and even though the days are starting to get longer by the minutes, you can feel the difference, and we are feeling that pull towards spring. We can't help but pull out those map books and start planning our summer adventures for the months ahead. We were gifted the ultimate Alberta bucket list book for Christmas, and it reminded us that adventure doesn't only have to be in the summer months. Some of our best adventures have been in the cold winter months. Just check out some of these. Elk Island bison watching, skating on one of the many outdoor ice rinks, fires and marshmallow roasts, tobogganing, skidooing, winter festivals, and of course winter road trips. We also need to start planning out our garden and what we are going to plant to maximize our crops this year. Being in Zone 3, some seeds are started indoors as early as late January. So let's head to the store and get our hands on some of those seeds. Elk Island National Park is Canada's largest fully fenced national park and is a great spot to see bison, especially in the winter months. Just a short drive east of Edmonton, this park has so much to offer. Go for a short hike, skate on the frozen lake, toboggan down the hill, or let the kids play on the playground and spot some bison. Skating on one of the many outdoor ice rinks. There are several local ice rinks with designated skating ponds. Also, if outside is not your thing, you can check out one of your public skating times at your local skating rink. Have a fire and a marshmallow roast. This one's simple. Grab a bag of marshmallows and enjoy the great outdoors. Go tobogganing. There's several great hills in the Edmonton area for all skill levels. We even built a small ice slide in our backyard and had some fun at home. You could go check out a winter festival. Edmonton is known as the Festival City. We took a drive around and there's many Instagrammable spots our city has to offer. December is obviously loaded with Christmas activities everywhere, but so are the other months. Go and enjoy Snow Way Out in the Ice District, Ice on White, the Deep Freeze Festival, the Flying Canoe Volant, the annual Polar Plunge, the Silver Skate Festival, and so many more. Go skating on one of the many outdoor ice rinks. One of our all-time favorite winter activities is ice skating. If you don't own a pair, you can rent from several locations around the city. You can take a winter road trip. Just pick a direction, anywhere from the city, and you will find something interesting along the way, we promise. We decided to check out the Rochfort Trestle Bridge, only a couple hours north of Edmonton, and it had an epic toboggan hill as well. You could do some winter cold experiments or go view the northern lights. You can see the northern lights all year round. However, because of the longer nights in the winter months, your chances are a lot higher, unless you're a night owl. Bored? Us too. We decided to try out the Mephiba effect.
Are you coming? Okay, go. Pretty cool slide. You like this park? Yeah. Yeah? Are you climbing up?
Yeah. All the way.
All the way. Oh, up this ladder. You gonna what up there?
You can hide up there.
You gonna hide up there?
Yeah.
Oh wow. You can hide up there. Holy. That's a long ways down. Go! Whoa! So today's the 1st of January. I'm following you, kiddo. Today's the 1st of January. We thought such a nice day out. We get outside and go check out our new local park. It's pretty neat. Just built this summer.
Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button. It helps a lot. Check out our blog on our website in the link below, and you can get more information on the activities around the Edmonton area.